Yep, I'm on here. I've got a nice little hez here. Come out of Nolan's Burley Slick. Nice little hez. There he is. There's another good herring. Great little fish. Underrated by many, but certainly not by me. Great fish. Okay. Right here. Nearly missed this bite too. Around with the other rod. Another hez, there he is. Good stuff. Awesome. Getting a nice little feed together now. That'll be 3 for me. Another good hez too. Look at that. That's a great fish. Alright. This will be a hez, I reckon.